What if I told you that the $500 you have right now could turn into $5,000? It's not a dream. It's about making smart, calculated moves with your money, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to take control of your finances. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'm going to show you the exact strategies that can help you do just that. Smash that like button and hit subscribe because you don't want to miss out on more money hacks that'll put cash in your pocket. All right, let's dive into the first smart move, the stock market. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. You just need to know where to put that $500. And trust me, the stock market can be your golden ticket if you play it smart. Here's the secret. Look for growth stocks. These are companies on the rise, and they've got the potential to turn that $500 into serious cash. Companies like Tesla or tech startups could 10 times your money, but don't just throw cash at any stock. Do your research. Or you can take the safer route by investing in ETFs. These funds track the stock market as a whole and can offer steady returns without the roller coaster of individual stocks. Pro tip, use apps like Robinhood or Webull to invest without high fees. Next up, if you're feeling a little bold, there's crypto. Cryptocurrency is all about big potential with big risks. But if you time it right, you could see returns that will blow your mind. I'm not telling you to go all in on crypto, but allocating just 10 to 15% of your money to solid coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum could multiply your investment fast. Just remember, this game isn't for the faint-hearted. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Pro tip, only invest in well-established cryptocurrencies. Chapter 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Yep, real estate is no longer reserved for the rich. With real estate crowdfunding, you can own a piece of the property pie and let your money work for you. For as little as $500, platforms like Fundrise let you invest in properties across the country. This is passive income, meaning you're earning money while you sleep as rent rolls in and property values go up. Real estate is stable, and with a little patience, it could bring you some serious returns. Pro tip, look for platforms with low fees and solid track records. Chapter 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Another overlooked option is peer-to-peer lending. Here's how it works. You lend your money to other people or small businesses through platforms like LendingClub or Prosper, and in return you earn interest, sometimes as high as 10%. This is more reliable than you think. As long as you choose trustworthy borrowers, your money can steadily grow. But remember, spread your money across several loans to lower your risk. Pro tip, diversify your loans for more security. Chapter 5. The small business hack. Now, for those who like to hustle, flipping $500 into $5,000 can be as simple as starting a side hustle. From flipping items on eBay to launching a small business, this is where creativity pays off. Take $500, find products you can flip, or start a service-based business like graphic design, photography, or consulting. Keep reinvesting your profits, and before you know it, you'll hit that $5,000 mark and beyond. Pro tip, start small, reinvest profits, and scale up. And there you have it. 5 smart ways to turn $500 into $5,000. The key here is making strategic moves, whether that's investing in stocks, diving into real estate, or even launching your own hustle. So which path are you going to take? Drop a comment below and let me know your next money move. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could use a little extra cash, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe now for more smart money moves. Want to turn your money into more money? Watch these videos next.